Hello friends, how are you all? And we are back to today's class, and today we are going to learn some more features about PowerPoint, like chart, how to insert chart, how to change background, okay, and what are the other features that we can apply in chart, like formatting, okay, and change layout. So let's see here in this chapter and learn. Hello friends, so today we will learn the second part of this chapter more on PowerPoint. So in this part we will learn that what is chart, what are its component, and how to insert chart. So here what we are going to understand that how to insert a chart. So let's see here. So as you can see, this is the PowerPoint view. I have opened a file there. It's a blank presentation. So for inserting a chart we have to go to the insert menu, click on the insert menu, right? And on when you click on the insert menu, you see the illustration group. Okay, this illustrations group, on this group you will see that this chart icon. Click on this and this dialog box of chart will open here. Okay, it has appeared here very clearly, and you can see a different types of chart, and the first chart which is selected by default is column chart. Okay, so under this column chart you can see a different types of charts layout are available. Okay, so you can select, like I select this one and click on OK. Let's see what happened. Okay, so as you can see here, this chart has been inserted here. Okay, and along with that, by default a Excel file also included where you can insert the data with your chart. Okay, by default this is there, but you can of course change the all the details here, all the data here. Okay, so how we can change the data here? You can see we have to click here and we can change the data accordingly, right? And this is the chart inserted in the PowerPoint. Okay, so this is all how to insert a chart. So after inserting the chart, okay, and you can see on the right side the data also we can change it. So we go to the data table Excel file. Okay, this is come on parallelly. Okay, so we can change the data like category 1. So we just double click here. Okay, and now here we can change. Suppose we are making a students marks list. Okay, so student data we are making, so just give the name. Okay, and you can see I'm giving names. Press enter and move to the next, and as you change you can see the changes in, you can notice the changes in the chart as well. You can see when I'm changing data, the chart also get changed. Okay, so you see the information in chart now. Okay, so you see all the names I have changed here, and here I will give the marks, the subject like maths, computer, and science, right? So now I'll randomly give the marks here. Okay, you can notice the changes in chart as well. The bars in chart also changing according to the data what I'm giving here. Okay, so here we have done. Okay, now you can see all the changes I have made in the data sheet, all has been done in the chart as well. So now we will maximize the chart here. Just maximize button, click, and here we can see. Okay, so this way we can changes the data in chart, right? Now moving on to the next, how to do the formatting in chart. Formatting, yes, we can do so much of formatting in chart. Select the chart, okay, and as you select the chart, you can see three more tabs are displayed here: design, layout, and format. So when we go to the format, you can see so much formatting option you will get here, like shape fill, shape outline, shape effect, text fill. Like I show you an example. Click on the text fill option, and if you go to select any color of the text, you see I have chosen green color. So all the details text which was here, now its color has been changed into green. Okay, so this way you can change the text color and other formatting as well. Okay, so this format tab, when you click on the format tab, so you will get these options, right? After that you can modify the chart layout. Okay, this is one of the chart, and you can change the chart layout as well. Here we can do some changes in the chart type also. Okay, so for that we have to select the chart here. When you select the chart, right, so go to the design tab, and here you can see the chart layout, okay, group, and you choose any one of the chart layout. When you click here, you see the changes. Okay, at the top the chart title comes, okay, and this is another type of chart layout. When you click this arrow more, so you see another different types of chart layout. Okay, and this is the chart style group. Here you can pick the chart style as well. Okay, you see a different chart style option, and this is when you click on more, you see so many are there. Okay, so this way you can go for the chart styles and chart layout option also, right children? Now you can also change the shapes and color and background as well. Okay, you can do these changes also in the chart. Okay, so click the chart here. Okay, so go to this plot area in the layout tab. Okay, go to the plot area and you click on this more plot area option. When you click here, you see, make it to the left side, this dialog box, format plot area dialog box, and when you click on the gradient fill, you can see this background has been filled here in the chart. Solid fill also available, gradient fill also available. These colors you can apply here. Okay, and this will change the chart looks. Okay, and this is all how we are doing the changing in chart. Okay, and these are the grid lines you can apply here. Okay, you can see the grid lines appears on the chart area. Okay, plot area, and these are the legends. These are the various options are available that show legend at the bottom. You can see it also changed the look of the chart. The maths, computer, and science are different. These small square boxes are called the legends. So this is how you can check the change display of your chart. So these way you can do various things about the chart. Okay, so you practice it and definitely you will be enjoying this a lot. Okay, so if you have a computer, please practice it at your home. Okay friends, so this is all from this chapter. Okay, so practice it and learn it from the book as well, and we will meet in the next class. Till then, take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe.